How to find research gap from research articles? First of all, you have to go to any research article searching engine, just like Google Scholar. You can go to Google Scholar, type your research interest and find out the recent research articles related to that. Okay, you have the you know there is this option of choosing the years also. Okay, so you can choose from which year to which year you want to search the papers. Okay, so I always suggest to search recent articles only. For example, you can take research articles from the last 2 years or 3 years, not more than that is needed. Okay, once you are done with that, for example, if you have you want to know about the recent modifications in peptides to target bacterial pneumonia, so you just going to type this much only at Google Scholar and you will get so many recent research articles related to this problem. Okay, now how you going to find out the gap? You go to the most recent paper. Okay, and read the abstract, what they have proposed in their work. Okay, then download the article, read the introduction part. Okay, in introduction part, they most of the time they have mapped so many things. Okay, how things initially worked, then how they get modified, then they tell how they have solved what are the problems that needed to be addressed and how they have solved the problem. Okay, so you read that part carefully. You can take help from AI also. Okay, so you download the most recent papers, you give it to AI that okay, I this is the research work I work in, and these are the recent research articles related to that problem. Now read the introduction of the this article, that article. Okay, you keep on adding the PDFs of the research articles. Okay, and then ask them, whichever AI tool you are using, ask the AI tool that what is the recent research problem related to this particular research this research paper have solved. If you'll ask it the brief version, it will give you the brief version. If you will ask it to elaborate it, then it will start from the very start, that this is how it started and how this is how it's going. Now once you are done with finding the gap, make a Word file for all the research papers that you have read and you have found that how they have solved the problems. Okay, it's the problem that still needs to be addressed. Okay, now you make a Word file that what are the key points. Okay, how the problem started getting solved. Okay, problem was there only. Okay, you don't need to find the reason behind the problem is there. How the solution started. Okay, how researchers approached it initially, then what are the modifications has been done over the years recently, which research papers have solved the problem to the highest extent. Okay, so there must be at least 2 3 papers which will claim, and not only claim, in fact have proved how they have solved the problem to maybe 90% to or 80% to whatever the highest extent they have solved. Okay, keep those references in that same Word file. Okay, keep all the data with you and organize it properly in a Word file. Then you can see, based on your knowledge, and also take the help of AI also, that what are the still missing key points that researchers need to work on. Okay, and based on your knowledge, try to find the missing piece of the research gap. This is how you map out that how the problem started, it solved, how it kept on getting solved, and still what are the key points that are still missing, and how your research work can fill the gap. Now, where that knowledge is going to come to fill those gaps, where is that, where is the knowledge going to come from? It is going to come from read. What to read? Read all the recent research papers related to your work from all the journals related to your work. All the very best.